Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can basically get the spooky rod in Fish. Basically, you'll need to get the Fish Witch ingredients. Unfortunately, it doesn't appear in like fixed locations, but like every 5 minutes, it's going to be announced like the island location through a server-wide notification. When you see the alert, head to the mentioned area to find them. The tasks could be anything. You could like type Goblin's rule in chat 3 times. And the goblin spawns every 5 minutes in Fish. Once you have all the ingredients, you're going to go ahead and go to the like Crooks Hollow in Fish. Basically, you can go there via, I think they gave you, let me see, somewhere in inventory mirror. It's called the Frightful mirror. It says interact to teleport to Crooks Hollow. So if I interact with it, it's going to teleport me to Crooks Hollow, which is where you'll find the witch, in which, very funny, you can submit the witch's ingredients, I guess, to the witch. Here's the event, and here's where you can submit everything. You get rewards, and you can get spooky rod, in which you can also get you can fish for candy corns, I guess. But yeah, that is pretty much it really. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. I'm trying to fish. Oh my gosh. Hold on. Let me fish first. And that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.